Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the autofocus on your iPhone camera. Let's get started. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. You can do this by tapping the camera icon on your home screen or swiping left from the lock screen. Once you're in the camera, you'll notice it automatically focuses on whatever is in the frame. To turn that off, simply tap and hold on the part of the screen you want to stay in focus. After a second or two, you'll see AE/AF lock appear on the screen. That means the camera is now locking both the autofocus and the exposure at that specific spot. At this point, you can also adjust the exposure by swiping up to make the image brighter or swiping down to make it darker. Even if you move your phone around, the focus stays locked exactly where you see it. If you ever want to go back to regular autofocus, just tap anywhere on the screen and the AE/AF lock will turn off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off autofocus on your iPhone camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.